Very good family coaster. As you can see, the whole park's set in the woods, which is a great setup. Yeah, I was surprised. This ended up being my favorite coaster in the park. I would have thought it was Falcon, but again, this is a good family coaster. You'll see it kind of throws you around a bit and has even an airtime pop. Gerstlauer makes such good family coasters.